Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare rice cream for anti-aging and skin whitening. So for this I have taken a bowl and I'm going to add 2 spoons of white rice. You can also add brown rice if you need. So add some water and remove the dirt or any impurities in the rice and throw out the water. So now I'm going to add some water to the clean rice and let the rice soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. So keep this mixture aside. So our rice is nicely soaked. So now we are going to boil the rice. So for this, add 2 cups of water to a bowl and add the soaked rice to it. Let the rice cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until the water evaporates completely. So you can boil the rice in medium-high flame. Rice cream works great for anti-aging and skin whitening. So you can use this cream daily for better results. So our rice is almost cooked. Let the water evaporate. So once the water evaporates, turn off the flame and you can blend this boiled rice into a nice creamy texture. So now turn off the flame and blend the cooked rice into a blender. Don't want to blend the cooked rice, you can also strain the boiled rice using a strainer. So our rice paste is ready. Take a small amount of this and prepare the rice cream. So for this I'm going to squeeze half a lemon to it. Lemon works great for treating acne, lightening dark spots and reducing blackheads. So mixture well. Make sure that the lemon combines with it completely. So after adding lemon, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of corn flour to this mixture. As if you don't want to use corn flour, you can also use maida or licorice powder to it. So after adding corn flour, mix it well. Avoid forming of lumps to it. Make sure that the corn flour mix properly and achieve creamy texture. This rice cream has many benefits like promoting cell growth, healing with acne, making skin smooth and bright. So now I'm going to add a vitamin E capsule, or you can also use a tablespoon of vitamin E oil to it. Vitamin E oil nourishes skin from deep. It acts as an anti-aging property and it also lightens scars, treats sunburns and remove dark circles. So after adding this vitamin E oil, I'm going to mix this mixture well to combine it nicely. As you can see, we got a perfect creamy texture rice cream. It looks great. So apply this rice cream as a day cream or a night cream, or you can also use it as a moisturizer. So our skin whitening and anti-aging rice cream is done. You can store this cream in a airtight container and use this up to 7 days. It's great for your skin and you can also apply this daily, twice or once onto your skin for a better results. Now I'm going to show you how to use this cream. Take a small amount of cream and apply this onto your skin, gently massaging in a circular motion. So massage it for about 5 to 7 minutes. You can also leave this cream for overnight and wash it off the next morning with. Rice is rich in antioxidants and many minerals, which is beneficial for our skin for making smooth and brighter. So yes, our ice cream is done. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to Homey Stuff, and also comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.